Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to analyze weekly gold analysis for your next week gold trade. So this is I am daily charting gold. So last week my video I have mentioned that gold price we reached 1950 1980 level. So now 1925 is the current price. So I am hoping price next week is continue to the upside and reached my first target 1950. So last week my gold trading analysis signals are and almost 80% above correct. So you can join with my telegram link. So get the trade from the correct analysis and signals gold trading. So telegram link is below, you can join with it. So this is the daily gold chart. So you can see the three times price tested in these trend lines. This is the first time it has double bottom. So and next this is the second time it has also double bottom, and this is the now I am hoping this is also double bottom pattern technically. So I am hoping price will continue to the upside next weeks and next month. So this is the technically picture I am seeing 1950 1980, that is my next level target. So this is the so I am seeing this technically analysis daily chart. So you can see that this bust double bottom was created last year November. That was FEDs in interstate peak situation and gold demand. So next one is the March month. So March this year March month, that was Fed Silicon Valley Bank was cash in USA and gold demand. That was next double bottom. So last one is now June. This is the also I am hoping double bottom pattern. This is June interest rate pause situation in Fed. So these three double bottoms I am hoping this is also last one is as a double bottom pattern continue to the upside. So let's move the economic data. What is going on US dollar regarding American Central Bank Fed. So last Friday releases non-farm employment change. So that was not positive for US dollar. That is below for previous dollar. So 229k is the actual figure. That is not positive, and gold demand Friday. So that was the released recent volatile economic data. Next week is the more economic volatile data is the CPI data, consumer price data in next Wednesday. So you will touch with the inflation report. USA is the current is 4%. Fed expected to drop to 3.1%. So Fed's inflation goal is 2%. So you will touch with CPI data report next week if you are trading US dollar pairs gold especially. So I am moved to the Fed Watch Tool website. So it is more important. I am thinking Fed Watch Tool website next FOMC meeting in July 26. So this is the Fed Watch Tool website. You can see the almost 92% probability to the interest rate 25 bps hike. So that is also sentiment to market. If Fed will hike 25% rate hike, that is not dollar huge demand, because of this is almost 92% already sentiment to the market. So that is very important. So next FOMC meeting July 26, you will touch with economic data if you are gold trading. So this is the technically analysis I am going to doing your next week. Get the profit from gold. So I am moved to the 4-hour chart. So I am seeing three levels. This is the first level I am seeing. This is price has already reached 19 30 19 25 level. So I am seeing next level is 1940 level. This is the level 1940 level, and this is price will reach next week, I am hoping, and then 1955 levels, and then I am hoping price will reach 1980 level. 1980 mark is next level is this is the zone. So technically it's the simple theory. This is this support become resistance in right side. You can see the several supported in left side, it can be resistant in right side. Support become resistance, the simple technical theory. So this is, you can see this support in here, this is the support, to the supported, and 3 1 and 4th one, this supported can be resistant in right side. So that is 1930 90 level, and then you can see this support and can be resistance in here 1940 level, 40 55 level. So and then 1980 level, this is the left side support, you can see that can be resistance in here. So support become resistance, SBR, that the simple technical analysis theory is the resistance level for gold. So I am hoping price will reach this and retest and continue to the upside and retest and then continue to the upside. So that's my goal, next level target. So 1950 1980 is the next level. So technically I am seeing that this is the analysis goal will happen in next week and after week. So first target is 1940 and then 50 and then 80. So I am hoping gold will continue to the upside. So get the trade from small time frame confirmations and get the money management well. You can join with my Telegram link for accurate goal analysis for. So thank you very much.